Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Just got the word from Carnival. It looks like the Carnival Vista that has been in dry dock in Grand Bahama for the last few days apparently is just about done. The work schedule got done way ahead here. New bearings have been installed where the azipods are, and she is good to go. So good to go, in fact, that instead of having her first cruise on the 27th of July, which she was scheduled for, she is now on a surprise 4-day cruise from July 23rd to 27th out of Galveston. And they've got some super deals here. Just noticed here, an inside room for a 4-day cruise, $149 a person. Ocean view, $199 a person. Balcony for the 4 nights, $239, and you can get yourself a suite for about $309. It's like $76, $77 a night for a suite on a cruise ship. That's a deal. Of course, it's cheap because it's absolute last minute. Today is the 17th of July. This cruise starts in 6 days, and it only has 6 days to sell out. I think they've only actually got 3 or 4 days to sell out, because under Homeland Security rules, they have to have this ship declared with her passengers 3 days before sailing. So there's a flash sale on right now at Carnival. You want to go on a quick cruise out of Galveston, this is your chance. The Vista is all done, and it'll be heading back to Galveston in the next day or two and be ready for the 23rd of July. Join me on my channel for updates, news, alerts, trends. Hit the like button if you like this video. Please subscribe today and make sure to hit the bell notification icon to get alerts. And join me Monday nights at 8 p.m. for my live show. Thanks for popping in, everybody. See you later.